Lesson 9.1 3 Always Block FSM. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will complete the state register update in a 3 Always FSM. Current, start and nicht, start and is, on the clock, simulate, pass. Industry FSM style, state rig, next state combo, output combo, 3 always blocks. Block 1 is synchronous, current state, less equal next state with reset. Keeping the 3 concerns separate makes reviews and bugs easier. 3 always blocks, register next state outputs. Your TODO is current, dot state lacks dot state. Fill current state less equal next state, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log prints start, ye and state codes, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB scope and add the signals. Surfer, state bits advance with start and a clock. Yosys extracts the FSM looking register and decode. Then open the FSM Diagram tab. Open the FSM Diagram. This is the state machine Yosys extracted. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review only the state register was missing. Now it closes the loop. The TB walks a short start sequence through the states. That is 3 always block FSM. See you in the next lesson.